the green, and then we have the blue at the bottom. So what you'll do is you'll just... Hey, what's up, love? It's your girl, Chrissy M, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So for today's video, you guys, I'm actually going to be giving you guys a full face of new release clean makeup. That's right, clean makeup. So previously, like some months back, you guys, I actually did a testing of clean makeup by Ilia. It was a foundation. It was actually the concealer as well, and I absolutely love the product, you guys. You guys love the video. So it inspired me to go ahead and look for more clean makeup products to kind of give you guys a nice review on. So if you are new to my channel, you guys, hey, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. My name is Chrissy M. My channel is all about makeup, fashion, lifestyle, and some vlogs. So if you're feeling your girl by the time you get to that end of the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload videos, because you don't want to miss anything that I bring. So let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. Guys, so I picked up 2 items that's for the eyes. So the first thing is actually a palette. So the name of the brand is called Lawless. I've never heard of this brand at all whatsoever, but they have some pretty good products, okay? And so this is what it looks like on the inside. These are the colors, these are the shades. So we have Little Doll, we have Baby Love, we have Honey Child, we have Cherub, Cozy Bundle, Unconditional, Forever Mine, Sweet Dreams. So this is one of their new palettes actually that they came out with, you guys. And I thought this palette was super cute because first and foremost, it's super neutral. So you can wear it all year round. And it just has some of these nice like softer tones to it. Softer to deep tones to it. And I really like that. So I'm going to swatch them on the back of my hand, you guys. And then we're going to go ahead and play with the eye a little bit. Alright, you guys. So we're going to start off with this lighter champagne color here. Super pretty, and what I can tell you guys from the looks of it, it looks really nice and like buttery on the hands. So that's that one right there, and you guys, it's so pigmented. For it to be a clean makeup, like the pigment on that just picks up so well. Then we're gonna go into this more of a darker golden color, bronzy I should say. Guys, look at that one. That one is so pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the mattes. So we have like this soft color, which is more like a peachy color, which I love peaches. And that's what that looks like. So pretty. You guys, those metallics are fire. We have more of a, I would say a burgundy magenta shade on here. That's that one right there. So pretty. I'm running out of hands. Alright, you guys, then we have a really deep burgundy. This is really deep. That's that one there. This one's more of like a purple, it's a plum color. And then the last one is this one. Oh, this is really deep. This is like a chocolate. That's like a chocolate there. So you guys, those colors are just absolutely beautiful. I also picked up Ilia. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, you guys. I do not know. If I am not, please correct me down below. But you guys, I also picked up this one. This is their, I think it's like a chrome liquid powder chromatic eye tint. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that too while I have it on my hand. Okay, and this is what that looks like. So that's more of like of a nice little, it's like a nice fall color, nice fall tone. So let's go ahead and play around and do a cute little makeup look, you guys, and we'll move into the next product. Alright, you guys, so first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids. I'm gonna prime them with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is a hydrating camo concealer, you guys. The color is Deep Chestnut. And I'm gonna prime them because I really want some of these colors to pop out, as although I'm already seeing that these colors are really like pigmented. Alright, you guys, and I'm actually going to start off with this lighter shade. It's more of a peachy tone here. I'm going to use that color as my base. Oh my god. You guys, these colors are so like pigmented and they're so rich for it to be a clean makeup product. Like, it is amazing. I'm actually loving this color right now. Alright, you guys, next we're gonna go in with more of this pretty like mauve pink tone here. So pretty. And that's gonna be like more of my transition color, you guys, because I definitely want to get this color on my eyes. Like, it is so pretty. Oh my god, it's like the perfect fall look, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, with these colors. There is some fallout, you guys. I'm not gonna lie and say that there isn't, but there is some fallout. But for the pigment of this color, like, it's not bad at all. All right, you guys, so the next color that we're gonna go in with is this Sweet Dreams. It's like this rich plum color right here. I'm gonna go in with more of a straighten brush, you guys. The first brush that I was using, again, is from Amazon. I use it a lot. It's more of a fluffier, pointed brush. I absolutely love it, especially for when I'm blending and I'm actually putting on my base and transition color. So for me to go in and kind of smoke it out a little bit, I'm gonna use more of this straight fluff brush.
No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything I ever wanted. Making me feel that you do. No one can do it like you.
Alright, you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do a cut crease. And in that cut crease, I'm actually going to put some of the red towards the middle and then this lighter champagne color here towards the front of the eye. So in order for me to do that cut crease, you guys, I'm actually going to go with the Infallible L'Oreal. This is a full wear coverage concealer, you guys. It's one of my favorite concealers. I'm going to be using more of a rounded flat brush. This is from Morphe, you guys. The number on this is M22. Alright, you guys, so now that I actually have my cut crease set, I'm actually going to go in right now and fill out the ends of it with the red, and then we're going to work our way in with the champagne color. So pretty. Alright, so I'm going to use more of a flatter fluffy brush, you guys, to actually start off with the red. Oh my gosh, you guys, this red is so pretty. This is like a cute little holiday glam. Oh yeah. That is so pretty, you guys. Oh my goodness.
You're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels that you do. No one can do it like you.
Now that I have that on, next I'm going to go in with the champagne color. Alright, you guys, so now we're going to go ahead and prime the face. I'm actually going to be going in with the e.l.f. This is the Luminous primer, you guys. I absolutely love it, so I'm going to use it for today's video just to prime my face. I honestly don't have any other like clean primer, and I probably should have looked for a primer that's clean, but for the next video, with the orange corrector, you guys. It is by LA Girl Pro. This is the orange corrector. It is my favorite. I use it in every video, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, it's like one of my favorite ones to cover up any like of the dark spots or dark circles under the eye. Months back when I was pregnant, I actually went to Sephora, you guys, and picked up the Ilia, their clean foundation, as well as their concealer. So for today, you guys, I'm actually going to go in with the concealer right now up underneath my eyes, and then we're going to set this with a white translucent setting powder.
No one can do it like you.
Now we're going to go ahead and set that in, you guys, with the e.l.f. HD translucent setting powder.
One by one, yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing, disposable.
Alright, you guys, now I'm going to go in with the Ilia. This is their True Skin Serum Foundation. This is a lightweight foundation, you guys, so you can build it up. It's more for a natural look, but I'm going to put some on my beauty blender, and then we're just going to kind of lightly build it up. I don't want to have a full face of it, like just pounded on there, but I absolutely love this foundation, you guys. And if you guys do not know, Ilia is a clean brand as well. I actually did a makeup review on these two products, the concealer and the foundation. I will tag it up here, so if you guys want to check it out, you know, the product is really, really good. It's really, really great, as you can see. You guys, now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Morphe. This is a Banana Rich. I'm actually going to set that in to give me like a little bit of a highlight and let it bake for about maybe 3 minutes.
My ex got baggage like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying.
Right now, I'm actually gonna go in and fill in my cheeks a little bit, just to give it like a nice little color to kind of match my makeup, to match my eyeshadow. And so this is by Milk Makeup, you guys. This is a clean company as well. This is a holographic stick, you guys, and honestly, I got it through, I want to say, a subscription, but I never used it. So this is what it looks like, you guys. It's really pretty. Like, it really is a pretty color. I'm not really sure how to use this type of a blush stick because I've never used it. So what I'm going to do, you guys, is just kind of take a brush and like just brush it on the brush to see if it'll kind of pick up some color from there. And this brush is like a bronzer brush, you guys. So yeah, it's picking up some color. I don't really want it to rub it on my face and then it gets smudged. Then I'll be looking a hot mess. Ah, you guys. Okay, let's see, guys. Okay, that's nice. That's really nice, you guys. And with it being a stick, you know, sometimes it can be heavy. It's not heavy at all. It's very like nice and light, but it is giving me like so much color. All right, you guys, so the next product is going to be Tower 28. Now, like I said, you guys, I've never used any of these brands but Ilia. Ilia was the first one that I've actually tried out. These other brands, like this one, Tower 28, is very new to me. So it's just like a tester to see if I like it or not. And then also if I do like it, I can tell you guys, if you want to shop it, you can shop it because everything will be down in the description below with links. So this is, the color of this one is almond, you guys. I want to get almond because this is a great fall color. It's fall right now, and a lot of these nudes, those are like really hot and trending right now. So I want to get something that's really pretty. This is what it looks like, you guys. When I seen it online, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Like the color is just so gorgeous. Look at that, you guys. It's nice and creamy like an almond. So pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my lips, you guys. I'm not going to line my lips because this is me testing it out. It is a gloss with a little bit of a color to it. So let's see how this is.
One. Yeah, I watch them disappear to nothing. Disposable as chewing gum. There are deal breakers.
Okay, so here's a close-up of the actual lip gloss.
My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed?
I think it's really pretty, you guys. I think it's perfect for fall. The gloss is not so thick, but it's not thinned out either. It's like the right texture. So when it goes on your lips, it gives you a nice like hydrating gloss with a nice little tint of the almond color. So you guys, so the last item is by Milk Makeup as well. And so this one, you guys, is the setting spray. So it is a Grip Set Refresh Spray. And it actually is like two-tone. So you see it's normally green, and then we have the blue at the bottom. So what you'll do is you just shake it up, okay. And then I'll just spray it on my face. That's nice. It has no smell, you guys. That's really nice. And so this is supposed to hold your makeup in, you know, pretty much all day, you guys, and keep it set. You can refresh you can use this as a refresher to refresh your makeup throughout the day if your face is looking a little blah. And let's see if there's any other things about it. Let's see. So it's a bi-face setting spray, you guys. Grips makeup and doubles as a refreshing face mist. Formulated with Hydro Grip Heroes, hemp-derived cannabis seed extract and blue agave extract. How amazing. They're just using all this cannabis stuff to create products, but super good, you guys. And this is me I sprayed it on there. So this is what it looks like when it's sprayed on there. Alright, you guys, so that's the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys go right now and leave some comments down below letting me know that you actually enjoyed the video and if you want to see more videos like this. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, loves.